Hey guys! Lately, such a gadget called klick button became quite popular. It's a simple button which can be connected to a cell phone or a tablet, and it's meant to be inserted into the headphones input. It can be programmed for certain actions. For example, if you press the button once, flashlight will be turned on. If you press twice, calculator will be opened, and so on. It can be programmed for any application in a mobile phone. So guys, this gadget is not very expensive at online stores. But it's not always about the money. So I tried to make it myself and succeeded. That's why I'm going to share this idea with you today. In order to make a handmade klick button, we need, of course, a glue gun, a solderer, some heat shrink sleeve, a tech switch that we are going to solder out from an old circuit board. We also need a 3.5mm mini jack, multimeter and of course a mobile phone or a tablet. First of all, let's make some preparations. We need to solder out the tech switch and then disassemble the mini jack. The switch has 4 poles, so we need to define which of them are in use. That's why we need a multimeter. Switch it to resistance, connect, and press. These 2 poles are working, as they lock when pressing. We cut off the other 2 poles. The next stage is assembling. As you may notice, there's 4 contacts. This is mass, a microphone port, and left and right channels. We need to solder the switch to the mass and the microphone port. As we don't need the upper contacts, we are going to cut them off with the help of nippers, to free some space for the switch. We apply a few drops of super glue, so the connector won't break apart in the headphones input. Well guys, our klick button is ready. Let's test it. Firstly, we need to download an application. We enter the Play Market and type in klick. This is the program we need. Install it. Open it. Insert our klick button into the headphones input. Press OK. Then skip. Now let's assign what the button will do. Let's make so that 1 click will open the flashlight. 2 clicks will turn on the camera. And 3 will open the voice recorder. Quit the application. Block the phone and test. If we press the button once, the flashlight will turn on. As we pushed it, the flashlight turned on. Push it one more time, and it turns off. The camera should turn on when we press 2 times. 1, 2. Camera is on. As you remember, we've programmed the voice recorder to turn on when we press the button 3 times. Let's say that you're at a job interview and you need to use the recorder without being noticed and record the conversation. For this purpose, we just put a hand into the pocket and press 3 times. We hear a signal. Now let's unblock the phone and check what's going on there. As you may see, it's already working for 9 seconds. Well guys, today's video has come to an end. If you liked my idea of making a handmade click push button, press like on this video and share it with your friends. I'm sure that they will also enjoy our channel. More likes, more interesting ideas. See you in the next video. Did you know? Specialists are developing new ways to implement radiation detecting features into cell phones.